12 plus years experience in education domain only, working with multiple universities, now working with Wadhwani Foundation. So if I talk about mission of Wadhwani Foundation, we want to create more and more jobs. Whatever we are doing in this industry, our main mission is to create more jobs so that people around us, they can have a family sustainable wages and live the life of their dignity. So he is gentleman Mr. Ramesh Wadhwani, who leads his initiatives from US. I won't read out these points, but I'll tell you a few other points. He was born with polio. He still lives when he walks. He's 78 years old. He has pledged that he'll make 40 organizations. He's a serial entrepreneur. He's currently at his 36th organization. As a 78-year-old guy with polio, he might complete his next 4 organizations and then he'll retire. He has created his personal wealth of $10 billion plus. Out of those $10 billion, he has pledged his 80% wealth to Wadhwani Foundation. Not only in India, we are present in more than 20 plus countries where we are doing these skilling initiatives, entrepreneurship initiatives. I'll cover it in next slide. So these are our different initiatives. Skilling, I'll explain in the later part. Entrepreneurship. From ideation to seed funding, we help students as well as any one of us who wants to do the startup. We will help them. Government digital transformation. We create different AI tools for bureaucrats working in ministries, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Rural, and many other ministries, so that they can create perfect policies. We are creating those AI tools. We have assigned few ambassadors of Wadhwani Foundation who are working in these ministries and doing all these AI jobs for ministry officials. We are into innovation and research. Just in April, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, they launched this initiatives. We invested around 1400 crores along with Ministry of Education. What is the idea behind this innovation and research? We are creating multiple patents these days. All the universities are creating patents. How to take these patents to market and build a product so that we can create more jobs. Again, our mission come into the picture, creating more jobs. We want to create these patents a real-time practice venture so that we can create more and more jobs in this. So, I'll move back to skilling now. We interact with almost 2,000 plus employers across the world just to see what is the need of the hour. Do we need soft skills? We got to know starting from IT, ITES, starting with pharma, electronics, even power security type of jobs, they do need soft skills. They need behavioral skills. So we thought we have so many technicians who are taking care of domain skills. Let's move to behavioral skills. We want to work with the behavioral skills with all the technicians. So we use AI. AI is a buzzword, no doubt. We use AI in almost all our tools. Talent lifestyle, what we offer to students as well as employers. This is the talent life cycle of anyone who wants to start a job. We can say pre-hire. A student is currently in their pre-final year or final year. They are ready to join interviews. They are ready for giving interviews. How they can prepare? We have a solution, we have a 75 hours job ready program with AI enabled, available in multiple vernacular languages starting from Kannada, Odia, Bangla, Hindi, English and many other languages. My AI tools can help students in their vernacular language. They can ask their AI buddies anything they want regarding that particular topic. Then we have everyone is working with the students definitely, but we wanted to work starting from a student life till their progression, because we do believe in their first job they won't be able to get family sustainable wages, and that's our main mission. How to help these students to get family sustainable wages? Maybe after 3 years or 4 years, they'll get at least some decent amount so that they can have a sustained family. So we wanted to work from academia till at least 5 years of their life journey in the jobs. So we launched a Job Rise program. That's a 70 hours program, again on behavioral, very basic things, how to work with your team. आपके मैनेजर से आपकी लड़ाई हो गई, how to point out कि you were wrong. Directly अगर बोलेंगे तो we know what will happen. So we work on the retention part and then we work on progression part. So these are few competencies which we cover through AI. Effective speaking and listening skills, problem solving, interpersonal, professionalism, customer centricity. These all skills are used by all industries. Even HR, if I talk about HR, they also need customer centricity. If I talk about any ITS professional, they are also interacting with many clients. They need interpersonal skills, work productivity tools. So we are covering all these things. If I talk about Job Rise, these are some advanced versions. These are not just learning modules where you are watching a video and learning few things. These all are case studies. If you talk about Job Rise, these case studies are scenarios which are happening in the current organization. For example, a roundtable conference is happening. You want to prove your point, but how to prove? There is a scenario of a steward who wants to handle a customer, but they are not able to handle customer. So these are few things which we wanted to cover in the Job Rise program. So these are our all philanthropic funded AI solutions. Starting with My Career Advisor. This is an AI tool. For example, I did my BTech in Geoinformatics. I got my job in some drilling organization. When I saw कि वहाँ होता क्या है, I said this is not my cup of tea. I won't be able to do drilling for 12 hours. So I moved to marketing. I did my MBA and moved it. So we have launched Career Advisor Lab so that students can see day in and day out of what they will do in the particular job role. This is again all AI based thing. We have more than 250 job roles, starting from retail sales executive. Even if you want to be a fighter jet pilot, you will be able to cover day in and day out what type of progression this job is having. So you will be able to cover everything. My tutor, this is your buddy. In any topic you want to work. For example, I am very introvert. I won't be able to speak to a group of people. I can ask my tutor and my buddy, what is this? For example, I am an electrical engineer and my faculty is forcing me to learn customer centricity. What I do. So this AI co-pilot will give all the examples how an electrical student or a person who is working in a production line, how they will be able to use customer centricity in day in and day out. We have My Interview Coach. This is a Genie AI avatar which we have created. This will ask questions as per your job profile. For example, I am a student, I want to prepare for an interview and I want to be a software developer. I'll just write, I want to be a software developer. Even you can write, I want to be a software developer in Zscaler, for example. My AI interview coach will ask questions related to Zscaler, what type of products they are designing. So this will cover 10 questions, starting with easy questions, then difficult, medium, and then difficult. During the practice, we are not giving any right answers because we don't want कि AI आपकी critical thinking capability को ले जाए. We are just giving some hints. For example, try adding some examples in this. Try adding some real life example. Try adding something what you have done in your projects. So this is power of AI and our AI solutions. I would like to show a small video.
Our skilling platform handholds the user through every stage of the journey, right from identifying a job, skilling for it, and securing it. My Career Advisor helps users discover aspirational in-demand jobs that are right for them. Here we see Amit, a 10th class student, engaged with Genie AI. Genie AI identifies and displays some potential job matches. Amit expresses interest in the role of a retail sales associate by clicking on it. Now, he can browse through detailed information about the role, such as what does a day in the life in the role look like? What do employees like or dislike about the role? How to prepare for the role? Salary and availability. He can also learn about potential career paths that this role opens up. Amit can also set up his full profile to see more matched roles. He can even share his profile, matched roles, and favorite roles with a real-life counselor. If he has doubts, he can continue the conversation with Genie AI. We have trained Genie AI to be an intelligent tutor for our skilling courses. Here we see Gaurav, an ITI student studying to become an electrician, taking a lesson about ethical decision making. Genie AI can answer any question about the lesson. Genie AI can converse in multiple Indian languages. Now, we see the user personalize the lesson to his own target job, electrician. Users can reach out to my tutor for help 24/7. Genie AI is an expert interview coach. The user starts by choosing a job role. Deepa is preparing to be a hotel receptionist. Genie AI lists several questions specific to the job role. Deepa can choose any one of them for a practice interview session. Genie AI then provides detailed feedback and recommendations for improvement. Deepa can keep practicing until she feels ready to appear for an interview. Our skilling platform endeavors to widen the pool of employable talent and speed up the pace of job fulfillment.
So these were some co-pilots which we have launched through our AI platform. Apart from co-pilots, we have some human services as well. Because हम किसी भी ऐप से कुछ भी पूछें, but एक human थपी जब मिलती है, So we feel more confident, right? So we have some focused faculty classes, we have some live online classes which we run, some master classes, we invite industry leaders to interact with students. We have some forums where you can post anything, just like LinkedIn. We have help desk, 24/7 help desk team if you face any problem at any point of time. And we have mentor and career counseling. We have few career buddies with us. Why career buddies? Definitely, astrology app किसी ने अभी तक try करी है? Anyone? Astrology app, AstroTalk or anything? Yeah, so few. हमें एक system driven जब कुछ भी if they give anything like तुम ये करो अगले दिन ये पहनो, we sometimes ignore few things. हाँ ठीक है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी आपने तो बताया, बट एक ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन के साथ एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर खुद आके आपको बोल रहा है that yes you can do this. Then we have few human career buddies. If you are not satisfied with AI buddy, you can reach out to my human buddies. These are few real-time human mentors who are helping students across India for anything, for mock interviews, for career preparedness, and to check day in and day out of their work. After doing a job ready program or job rise program, we believe in giving certificates definitely, but there is a skill card which we want to offer. This skill card, for example, anyone who is coming for the interview, they will be able to see this student is not good in self-management, but he is very good in customer centricity. Let's give him that type of role. This student scored a bit less in time management. Let's give them that type of role. So this type of skill scorecard we offer to all the students. We are proud to partner with EduSkills from last almost 1.5 years. Students are using Vadvani Foundation Job Ready program through EduSkills Foundation. So these are few partners along with government, Ministry of Education, where we work closely, and some employers partner where we are working in the job rise sector, where we are training employees of the organization. So this was us. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free.
Can we have a round of applause, please?
Thank you.